आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
We have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC where this side is given to be 2 and angles are given as marked in the figure. First we should know that if two lines are intersecting, then the two angles around a point, that is this angle and this angle, are called vertically opposite angles, or in short VOA, and they are equal to each other. That is, if I call this angle as angle 1 and this as angle 2, then both of them must be equal. This is a standard rule. Angle 1 equals to angle 2 since they are vertically opposite angles. Now we observe in the figure that this Y and Z are vertically opposite angles, hence they must be equal. Angle Y degree must be equal to angle Z degree since they are vertically opposite angle. Similarly, from here we can say angle Y degree should also be equal to angle X degree since they are vertically opposite angles. So, from comparing these two, we can say that angle X should also be equal to angle Z, which ultimately equals to angle Y. This we know. So now we can call all of them for convenience as angle Y. So I can say that this angle is Y degree since this is vertically opposite, and this angle is already given to us as Y degree. Now we see that in a triangle, if two base angles are equal, that is this angle and this angle are equal, then this triangle becomes isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has a property that it has these two sides equal. That is, if there is a triangle ABC, if angle B equals to angle C, that is, it is an isosceles triangle, then that implies that AB should be equal to AC side. So here the side AB is given to us as 2, therefore AC, that is this side, will also be equal to 2 since this is equal to AB. So this we have found out to be 2. This also 2. Now this angle is 2 times of Z. Now here we have seen that Z also equals to Y. So instead of calling it as 2Z, I can also call it as 2Y. Since 2Z equals to 2Y because Y equals to Z, because angle Y equals to angle Z. Now we see that we have got 3 angles and the sum of angles in a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. So, sum of angles in a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. In our triangle, we are having 3 angles, 2y degree plus y degree plus y degree, which should be equal to 180 degree, since that is a standard rule or property. From here we are getting that 4y degree should be equal to 180 degree. That implies that y equals to 45 degree. Hence we have found out this angle to be 45 degree. This angle also equals to 45 degree, and this angle equals to 2 into 45, that is 90 degree. Now we want to find the perimeter. Perimeter equals to the sum of sides. So perimeter equals to AB plus BC plus CA. Now AB and CA we already know, we have found out that they equal to 2. So perimeter equals to 2 plus length of side BC plus 2 equals to 4 plus BC. Now we only want to find BC. To find BC, here we again reconstruct the triangle ABC. In ABC, this angle we have found out to be 90 degree, this to be 45 degree, this to be 45 degree, and both of these sides to be 2 and 2. Now we want to find BC. Now to find BC, we would be using the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says that if we have a right triangle, that is a triangle having one of its side as 90 degree, then one of the sides touching the right angle is called base. This is height, and the side opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. And the Pythagoras theorem says that height square plus base square equals to hypotenuse length whole square. So now here we see that for our triangle, hypotenuse would be BC, since hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree. So hypo equals to BC, base equals to AB, which equals to 2, and height equals to AC, which also equals to 2. So now we would be applying this equation of Pythagoras theorem to say that AB square plus AC square equals to BC square. Now AB and AC both equal to 2. So ultimately we are getting 2 square, that is 4, plus 2 square, that is 4, equals to BC whole square, which further implies BC whole square equals to 4 plus 4, that is 8. That implies BC equals to root 8, that is equal to 2 root 2. Now we have found out the length of BC to be 2 root 2. Now we want to find the perimeter. Perimeter equals to 4 plus BC. Now since BC equals to 2 root 2, as we have just found out, the perimeter automatically becomes 4 plus 2 root 2. This is the perimeter or the sum of sides. We see the options, and option number B matches our final answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।